क्रेडिट मेमो और डेबिट मेमो कैसे?
रिटर्न ऑर्डर वगैरह किए थे हम लोगों ने? नहीं।
ये नहीं किया था सर।
अच्छा ठीक है, आज हम लोग देखेंगे वी डू द सेल्स रिटर्न ऑर्डर प्रोसेस व्हेन वी कंप्लीट द ऑर्डर प्रोसेस, है ना, व्हेन वी कंप्लीट द ऑर्डर प्रोसेस लाइक इंक्वायरी, कोटेशन, ऑर्डर, डिलीवरी, बिलिंग and payment also done by customer. Then after customer will do the complaint. What he do the complaint? That he say like product quality not good. Yeah, maybe some reason for return, है ना? Like he don't want to take this product because of some poor quality. So in that case, what we do? We do the return process. Okay, clear? The
यस।
return process basically we do based on ऑर्डर नंबर और बिलिंग डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर, दोनों चल सकता है। ठीक है, या तो अगर हमने बिलिंग कंप्लीट कर लिया है तो वी कैन डू द रिटर्न ऑर्डर विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ बिलिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, अदरवाइज वी डू द रिटर्न ऑर्डर विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ ऑर्डर नंबर। ठीक है, तो रिटर्न ऑर्डर बेसिकली इट कम आफ्टर complete process is done in sales. So then that time customer will do some complaint like this product what I received is damage in transit, had zoomed in the something. So based on his complaint, we registered in our department, and then that the department will send the request to the sales department ki you do the return process for this customer. Okay. So in the return order process, we have first important is sales document type. है ना, document type is RE, item category REN, delivery type LR, billing type RE, schedule line DN, and movement type in schedule line 650। मतलब सारे डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप है डिफरेंट है, ये स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्डर के अपोजिट है। स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्डर में ऑर्डर टाइप OR होता या RE, आइटम के TN होता बट हियर REN, डिलीवरी टाइप LF बट हियर LR, बिलिंग टाइप F2 but here RE, schedule line CP but here DN, a movement type 601 for good issue for delivery, but this is for good return delivery, है ना, 651, this is the moment type। तो पहले हम लोग विल सी द डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप फॉर दिस ऑर्डर टाइप, आइटम कैटेगरी एंड शेड्यूल लाइन, देन विल सी द हाउ वी डू द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिटर्न ऑर्डर, राइट? This PRO, then SAP reference IMG, then sales and distribution, and there is a sales, sales documents, and sales document header. And now here we have defined sales document type. For return order, sales document type is RE, है ना, we use RE। ठीक है, रिटर्न ऑर्डर document has a category. This is a written order, so it is under the H category. Generally, we have order, so that is C category, but this is written, so it's come under the category H. This is a functionality of the document, it's under which category, so written category. Number is as well, internal, external, both number is assigned. And there is a option here, you can see, reference is mandatory. We can make the reference for sales order, if C for mandatory for the return order, or M for billing। यानी कि या तो हम सेल्स ऑर्डर के रेफरेंस से क्रिएट करेंगे या फिर बिलिंग के रेफरेंस से क्रिएट करेंगे। तो जनरली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, व्हेन वी क्रिएट द सेल्स ऑर्डर, है ना, वी हैव टू ऑप्शन, we go to the order creation and just like I'm selecting the order type and sales organization, distribution channel, division. So we have two options, either we can go by entry and we can maintain all the details manual, or we create with reference, right? But in return order case, what happened? If without reference, we cannot create direct order. See, ना सिस्टम आस्किंग यू गिव द रेफरेंस ऑफ बिलिंग डॉक्यूमेंट। अगर हमने ये बिलिंग ऑप्शन यहाँ पे मेंटेन किया था, ठीक है, मैंडेटरी। अदरवाइज अगर हमने सी दिया, सी मीन्स ऑर्डर, है ना, लेट सी। तो यहाँ पे when you create the return order, which system will ask the document reference document is order number, डिपेंड करता है। ओके, वन सेकेंड, हाँ, सी है ना। अच्छा ये अभी भी आ रहा है, तो अभी बैक आगे करेंगे तो VA01 सी है ना, ऑर्डर नंबर। ठीक है। So this is the, one of the control here. We decide like it is a reference by which document order to see, otherwise billing document. This is important. Second important in this return order document type is delivery type. You know, this is return delivery. Standard delivery we have LF, you know, see LF. This is LF standard delivery and this is LR. LR yani return delivery. We do return process, return delivery. And here is a billing type also we have credit for return. And a credit for return means that, like suppose customer say, I want the refund the money. So whatever the difference amount after the returning the goods, will process for billing. And for billing, we use the billing document type RE for return process. And we have billing block option is activated for the order label. Ki without verification done, we can't do direct billing. Not like we create the return order or and you have not received the goods, you have not verified, and directly going to do the return process of billing. So that time system will give the option this billing is blocked for some reason. Check credit memo something. These are concept we have. तो या तो या हम एक स्टैंडर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट यूज कर सकते हैं आरई, और वी कैन जस्ट लाइक कॉपी एज एंड जस्ट गॉडरेज आरई है ना, रिटर्न ऑर्डर फॉर एग्जांपल here also I'm giving Godrej. Again, it's showing already we have enter, yes, enter again and save. Save. So whatever the changes you want to do in this bit, return order document type, we can do. Like for example, want to change reference is not meant for M, it is order reference number. A document pricing procedure. This is not a standard we are using. We are using the our own document pricing procedure that is got a just document. So and the number range, if you want to create your own number range for a return order, we can create and assign here. These are changes we can make it. Okay. So this is the return order document type. And now the item category for return order. Sales document item. Define item category. Item category for return order is REL. What is special in this item category? First, this is billing relevant. It is not a delivery related billing. Delivery related billing generally we do after standard order, like order, delivery process done, then we do the billing. But this is return order, it's coming back. So here billing is not relevant to the delivery base. It is relevant for the order base. Order means return order base. Whatever the quantity returned, based on that we do the billing with the customer. That is called return order related billing status according to target order quantity, how much quantity returned based on that. These are important. And second option is return checkbox here. You can see this is a checkbox of return. This is important. Then there is item category determination rule. Item category determination rule means like we have a combination of sales document, item category group, and item category, right? That concept is called category determination. So here we have option for say combination of sales document type, then item category group means which item? The finished good. So we what the item category group for finished good, and then item category. Yeah. So just like we have a standard order, we have a different process, but with the return order, we have a sales document type RE, and which item we return? Finished good. Finished good का item category group क्या है? No. ठीक है. And this combination. This is called item category determination. Whenever we create the return order by using this document type for the finished good, based on item category group for finished good, system will take the item category REA. This is the concept we have. So here we'll see, come back, and there is a assign item category. Transaction code VOV4. You know, VOV4. Now here, keep on position. For example, my sales document did DR1. You know, this is a return order document type. Item category group, Based on material type, so norm, standard. So this combination, see, है ना? This is a combination we have. Clear? This is what it is. And the last schedule line category. Schedule line category for the return order we have. The schedule line we have defined schedule line category. Schedule line category for return order is DN. DN. See, 651 is movement type. Goods return delivery. है ना? This movement type say goods coming back, not issuing. Issuing means 601. The 651 return delivery. ठीक है? This schedule line category assigned to the item category here. Now we go back to the assigned student category. The student category assigned to the item category. So we have item category REN. So they just student category. Hmm. And billing type we use for return order. That is RE. है ना? So we go to the billing document type. So VOFA transaction code we use. And there is a billing document type for return order. We have RE. Credit for return. No, this is for return for credit. The customer want to refund the money, so we use this billing document type RE. This is for credit memo. है ना? Okay. Hmm. Now here, first what we do, we create the return order with reference of any old order number or billing document number. Then we complete the return order process, and then we do the. You must be we maintain the reason for return also in the order. Then we create the return delivery, and then refund the money and credit for return. But we do the return order, return delivery, and credit for return for refund the money too. So just I'm going to main right. Ah, so we create a return order. So VA01 transaction code we use. Enter uh, Z, GDR1. For example. Enter the system asking that give the reference of billing document number. Any old billing document number we have. Let's see. है ना? See, this is the billing document, for example. I'm taking this billing document. So copy. The system will copy all the information from see, है ना? This is the billing document. A reference. है ना? For this 10 quantity we have delivered to the customer. It shows, but out of 10, maybe only 9 quantity is good in quality, 1 quantity is in defective, right? What customer say, like out of this 10 quantity, I want to return 1 quantity, right? Because this quantity is defective. Okay. So in this 1 quantity, what the price? Let's see, I select this line and there is a condition tab. The discounts are not required, discounts already given. Only this 9,000 customer want to return. So this quantity we have maintained and price is 9,000. And other information, this credit block option is activated here. है ना? Now, when you click on save, system will ask to give some information. So it is incomplete, so we click on edit. Order region is important, storage location, customer price group. These are all we have maintained in completion log. I think we have done this talk in completion log where the number of the field is required field. So that field is not maintained by end user. System will give this message that this document is incomplete. So now this three field is important to maintain. The first is order region. Order must be region must be maintained. What is the reason for return order? Maybe poor quality, damage in transit, yeah, quantity discrepancy, material reuse something है ना, damage in transit for example. ठीक है? Then next edit next data. Store location asking for which store location product will be returned. Done. Next system asking edit next data. Customer price group. Customer price group is which actually customer price group is not here. The option is disable mode. Otherwise, we can do one second. Just let me check any other document. VA02. Now here, first, reason must be clarified. What is the reason for return? It may be damage in transition or something. Then price in condition tab, double clicking on line item, condition tab, price, okay, and sales B tab, we asking customer price, which is already maintained. Shipping, we have store location. So enter and then click on edit in completion log, document is completed. And item category, REN, serious. Yes, with item category, schedule line also we have DN, written. Now I click on save. So we create the return order, and after return order, we do the return delivery. Next, uh, uh, 1 second, back. Uh, we do the return delivery. So we go to the VL01N transaction code. This is for return delivery process. Okay. Mm, enter, and here uh, return order number, shipping point, and delivery type. That is LR, not LR. LR for return delivery. Now enter and then 1 second. See, and this is check the notes article. Now we keep on picking tab and there is a 10 quantity. Out of 10 quantity, what quantity returned? One quantity only. This is returned. And movement, which movement data? This is for 651 movement type. Okay, this was written. Okay, this is for written. And this is called PGR. Generally, we do the PGI, post good issue the good to the customer, but this is PGR, post good receipt. Receipt means coming back. We do the post good receipt. Enter. Okay, it's asking the posting period. 1 second, just let me change. This is the under the issue. And just not issue, it is updating the posting period. Just checking GD. This is 9 months starting, and that is the reason. Okay. With good receipt. Now good has been received, completed, and we want to check the quantity, it come back to the plant or not. So we go to the MMB transaction code and which material I think we have done the written order. Right, let's see 1 second. We go back to the VL02 material 7151. We have written by customer. 7151 is the material camera. You have material plant store location. This is for checking the stock. Execute. See, one quantity return, right? Stock overview. We have a transaction code MMBE to check the stock overview, give the material number, plant store location, and execute. It shows how much quantity return? One quantity, right? After what we do, after the return order and return delivery done, and customer want the refund the money. So we do the billing, return billing. So VF01 and give the return order number. Delivery billing type is RE, credit for return, enter. But here system giving the option, this is incorrect, log, document, is showing the process. 1 second. Let's just back and go to the VF01, create the billing, return billing. Order number, RE, enter, click, edit, and then log. System telling this document is blocking for the billing, block for the billing. That means we remove the billing block option from the return order document. So we go to the VA02 Hmm. Give the order number, enter, and there is a billing block option, and we have to debit plan. And click on clear. Then after we do the billing, EF01, and here order number, and then credit for return. Hmm. So, sorry. Quantity by showing here 9. अच्छा हाँ, by mistakenly we maintain the 900. Just VA02 है ना? हाँ ठीक है. So return order we do the based on return billing with the billing what we do what the quantity we have based on that we do the return billing also. So here suppose the customer say no I don't want to return the goods. Sorry I don't want to refund the money. Then customer say I want replacement. है ना? There are two options. Either the customer say I want to return the money and he want replacement, right? If you want a refund, then we do the return order, a return billing. But if say now I want replacement, then we do the refund process. So the replacement we have which is called subsequent free of charge delivery. To create subsequent free of charge delivery order. है ना? Once return process take place, like customer return the good, we may request for refund the money. So we have already seen return order, return delivery, and return billing. But customers choose the another option like good replacement. So when customers choose the replacement option, then subsequent sales order is created. If customer choose refund option, then we money can be refunded to the customer. Yeah. So where we customer want to replacement, so we create the return replacement that is called subsequent delivery free of charges. Order type is called subsequent delivery free of charges. Document type is SD. Item category KLL. First we check this document type for a subsequent delivery free of charges. SD and item category KLL. Okay, right? Mhm. Okay. So be a transaction code. Enter. No, the subsequent delivery free of charges order type is SD. No, HD. HD stands for subsequent delivery free of charges. This is used for replacement process. When customer want to replacement, then we create subsequent delivery free of charges order. So in this sales document for SD, first document category I. This is I stand for what? Order without charges. No, we do. And document pricing procedure also is important. C, है ना? C stand for free of charges. For this order type, for subsequent delivery free of charges, we have required the order number. Let's see, है ना? This is called sales order. Just like a for return order, we have required a billing reference number. For subsequent delivery free of charges, we need a return, order number. The order number where we have mentioned the quantity and you want to replacement. That quantity we want to replace, so we take the reference of that order number, which quantity written by customer, and we do the replacement. So there is this here also we have reference is mandatory, right? Uh, and only we have delivery, LF, no billing. So this document pricing procedure that is very important. See, so when we create the pricing procedure, you remember we have maintained the combination of pricing with the sales area, document pricing procedure, and customer pricing procedure. So we do the combination there also. We go to the OVKK because the standards already we have done. Now you can see here GDS1. This is the concept we have already maintained. है ना? Correct. This is for it. C, है ना? C for free of charge. Now what we do, we create the subsequent delivery free of charges order with the reference of sales order number. No, we have. BA01. We are selecting the SD, that's subsequent delivery fee of charges. Enter. System asking the order number. We give the order number. That is our, we have three order number we have. Yeah, I think you selecting any one order number. Copy. Uh, PDRO. One second, just so we take the reference of return order number and here mention the quantity 7151 with quantity 1. This is for replacement. Okay. This quantity he returned by customer because of damage in transit or some other reason. So now customer say, I want replacement. So what we do, we create the subsequent delivery free of charges, give the material with quantity here. Okay. And no pricing. See, pricing is not required. Pricing, shipping, we have store location required, but pricing not important here. See, no pricing, right? This is not required. We're free of charge delivery, है ना? Subsequent free of charge delivery. Sales fee, any information, हाँ, ठीक है, fine. Item category KLN. अच्छा, हाँ, we have not seen item category KLN. KLN actually for only return of subsequent delivery free of charges. So let's see what is the item category for KLN. I am just going to show you. Back to the VOB7 transaction code. Item category for return or subsequent free of charge delivery KLN. KLN for free of charge item. Free of charge item means no billing, no pricing. All are blank. No billing, no pricing. Because in this subsequent delivery free of charges, we don't do again billing with the customer and pricing. But customer already paid the balance. Only he want to replacement exchange. So in that case, we don't have any billing relevance for this. No pricing also required for that. So this item category we use for return or sorry, subsequent delivery free of charges. Okay. Now here we have this item category, right? Delivery time as usual. See, yes, okay, it's showing the today not possible because of Sunday, है ना? Today is Sunday, not possible to do. So we do the delivery on 8th, right? This is factory. This is because of factory calendar, है ना? You remember factory calendar we have working and non-working days. You know, Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday working days, Saturday, Sunday is not working day. So system not accepting it. For example, I'm giving the 7th. This is Sunday. System saying no. 7th is not possible to delivery process because it's Sunday. So we take the 8. No, completed. And now here also when click on save. Or one more important thing ki, if you want to give the return replacement option, like sorry, region for replacement, so also we can maintain. Otherwise, not required. See, we go to the order 182, and here we have region, है ना? See, damage in transit something, so but we have want to remain like other region apart from damage in transit, we can maintain. So region is maintained here also. Okay, suppose I'm not maintaining the region, system will not allow to complete the document. So why we going to replacement? There must be region should be maintained. So damage in transit something, we can do. Clear? So now only we do the subsequent delivery free of charges, and we do only delivery, no billing. We'll go back to the next process of after the subsequent delivery free of charges. BL01N. Enter, give the order number, shipping point, delivery time, LF, but here system not accept the today's date because of date of delivery of 8th. Na? So here we change the date. Because Sunday is not delivery process for delivery. Can't do delivery on Sunday. So 8, okay, now here. Picking quantity, how much? One quantity. So now here we have complete the return, sorry, subsequent delivery free of charges and delivery free of cost, free of charges. To clear this scenario, like first scenario where customer do the complaint and he want return the good. So we do the return order, return delivery, and he want refund the money. So we do the credit for return. But second scenario, like customer want no, I want to refund the money. I want the replacement. So then that time we do the subsequent delivery free of charges order, SD, document type. We create with reference of return order. Then we do only delivery. And in that, no pricing, nothing required. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Uh, and there is one more, apart from the subsequent delivery freight charges, some company what they do, they want, they give direct goods to the customer. They create a order with free of charge order. Okay, free of charge order. Free of charge order means like the customer want, so no, some company want to give the sample to the customer, free sample. Free sample, why some company promoting the new product in the market. So first few quantity distributing to the customer as a free sample. So there is a free of charge delivery process creates a non-billed sales order. Non-billed sales order means we don't do the billing. If some product is shipped for the free sample to the customer, if some product is shipped for free sample to customer, then we free of charge delivery is carried out. This document is not relevant for billing because the customer is not billed for this free of charge delivery. So what is the document type of free of charge delivery? We must create the order with don't have any pricing. The order type for free of charge delivery is FD. Okay. And item category same KLN, free of charge item category. So this is the document type for free of charge delivery, D, FD. Right. So now this document also we can check in the system. Ah, so here, one second. Item category will be the remain same. KLN. This is also for free of charge delivery, item. And main sales document type is free of charge delivery, for sample. We use VOVA transaction code and come to this page and the document type for FD, delivery free of charge. Delivery free of charges. This is for free sample. Here also item document category I, delivery without order. Yeah, sorry, without charges. Delivery without charges. Item category, sorry, this pricing process also same. C, delivery time LF, billing time not. And for that, no reference required because this is free sample. Company, they're giving free sample distribution to the customer. That is, we use this document type FD for order. Okay, so let's see. Uh, hmm. Uh, VA01, create. Order type is FT, है ना? This order type is free of charge delivery. Enter. Yeah, delivery free of charge. Customer, I think this is the customer. Uh, Product, quantity, 110 something. No pricing, zero. And region should be clarified. What is the reason for free of charge? What is the reason? Maybe free sample, free of charge sample, है ना? Region must be maintained. Here. So the region only customer, material quantity and region, and select the line, double click, any other information like fuel speed, shipping. Shipping we have shipping point and store location. Condition, no price, है ना? Nothing. We don't have required the price. Clear. Zero free of charge delivery. Item category again him, again same here. KLN है ना? KLN for item category for free of charge. Now we create the order free of charge delivery. Save. We create a free of charge delivery order and only we do the delivery for customer, no billing. So now I'm going to next after that free of charge delivery order, we go to the VL01N to create the delivery. Here shipping point, order number, delivery type, enter. Here how much quantity we giving, tick. Quantity 1 and port issue. One second. What the issue? So we need to do one thing, distribute. One second, just I'm checking the information. 20 by 16. Some accounting entry error. Huh? There's a accounting entry error is coming. So I'm just checking the what the issue is. Okay, company meeting. The company I not. Right, it's coming. Mm. PBP. Basically. It's okay. The problem is that the accounting it is not there because of some reason. 1920 and this is for 117 and here sorry. This is a GL account actually not linked to this entry for that. That is reason asking me. I think it's all or not. Let's check. Mm, that it is. VA02, the order number and go to the VL. VA01N. Checking quantity 1, enter, and then click on pole position. हाँ, around क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फिर सिलेक्शन फॉर मूवमेंट टाइप 601 के ये क्या नया इशू आ गया? Saying movement DL account is not correct. That is the reason. One second. This time going to check again. OP Y OP Y maybe this account is not correct. Let me check this account. Okay. Now it's completed. Okay. The good has been issued to the customer and no billing, because this is for only free sample to the customer. No clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. We take another topic then. Okay. Good. I think this topic we have not yet completed, right? Outline agreement. 1 second, just before going to that, let me check this. Mhm. Okay, so now we'll take this topic, outline agreement. So outline agreement is one of the long-term agreement, purchasing agreement. Basically, with the customer we do, those customer who is a long-term with us and he is a regular buyer, purchasing the goods from the company, company we do the agreement with the customer. Okay, this agreement is called outline agreement. Outline agreement basically with the regular customer, the company do. Uh, the sales and distribution from long-term contractual agreement with the do the customer for the goods of supply for the specific quantity. We do the specific quantity supplying to the customer. Uh, so we do the agreement. So there is an agreement with two types we have. One is a contract agreement, and then another one is scheduling agreement. Contract agreement is a long-term purchase agreement between customer and supplier, yani company. And there are two types of agreement: contract and scheduling agreement. What is the benefit of this agreement? What is negative? What is the purpose? So customer get the benefit from better price and terms and condition and the quantity which is required by customer every month, he will receive accordingly. And like suppose every month customer want 100 quantity to be delivered. So he do the agreement with the company for that quantity to be delivered every month. That's the one of the benefit. Company will also get a plan for that. Yeah, for logistic production. Company know okay, every month customer has required certain quantity of the goods, 100 quantity. So company will do plan in advance, like every month that quantity should be available in the warehouse. Okay, how many reason? So there is a two type of agreement: contract and scheduling agreement. The contract is a draft agreement. Basically, it is called draft agreement. There is mention a specific quantity or value. A specific quantity like how much quantity? This is the quantity. For example, every month customer want 100 quantity to be delivered. We do the agreement with the customer for 100 quantity to be delivered in a month. Yeah, in a 1 year, in a one validity period, total quantity to be delivered. Okay, like 6 month validity, 1 year validity. In that, company will deliver the to the customer 100, 200,000 quantity. Okay, this is a quantity contract. So document type of quantity contract we have and a CQ, item category came in and no schedule line. Schedule line not we have required for this agreement because this is draft agreement. There's no any delivery date fixed. That's why schedule line not allowed. Schedule line basically for schedule for delivery, but that is not confirmed which day the customer want to deliver. Only for contract with validity with quantity. So now here first we check the document type for quantity contract CQ item category KMU. Once VOVA transaction code to see the document type of quantity contract. That is, we have CQ. No, CQ stand for quantity contract. Select the CQ and double click. Document category is important. This is under which category? Contract category. This contract document has only draft document, so that don't have any billing on the delivery process. Okay, only draft document. So we can use the standard or we do copy and rename, so we can do also like that. Just like CQ, I'm selecting and copy it and got it. Contract, CQ something. Okay. Yes, drag and save, continue. Now here we use this document type of quantity contract and item category for contract. Quantity contract we have. So we check VOV7 transaction code KMN. KMN for quantity contract. This document item category is the most important is no billing relevant. This is not required for billing. The completion rule here. What the completion rule see item is completed after the target quantity is fully referenced. Means like suppose we do the uh, quantity contract with customer for over 100 quantity and 100 quantity and valid for 1 year. Okay. So till 100 quantity, customer can order within a 1 year. Once quantity is completed within a year, it may be 6 months he completed all the quantity. It may be 3 months he has completed all the 100 quantity. So once quantity is completed in the order, then this quantity contract is completed. This is a rule set here. Completion rule means item is completed after the target quantity is fully referenced. Yani whatever the quantity we have in a contract, it will be converted in the sales order. Then contract is over. Simple. This is the completion rule here. Uh, So now here we do first uh, create the quantity contract. Back to the main page and let's see, है ना? We do the quantity contract here. Okay. Logistic, then sales and distribution, sales, and there is a contract. And we have a transaction code, VA41, to create the contract, VA42 change, and VA43 display. So we create first VA41 and contract type is CQ or whatever we have given the name, like Godrej GD CQ. This is also contract document type. Sales organization, distribution, giant division, enter. It's called great Godrej quantity contract. Customer is important, like who is the customer, this is the customer, enter. It has required the validity. It is for 1 month, 1 year. So we maintain the valid from valid to like this. It is for 1 year. Okay. If any uh, description, so like we can write the description also. Okay. But this is an optional entry and not required. Main important, how much, which material? It may be one or maybe more than one material with target quantity, maybe 100,000 something. Like for example, this for 500 quantity. In a year. Not only one material, it may be a list of materials we add in this contract with target quantity. Clear? Now we have added this material with 500 quantity. It has valid for 1 year. है ना? Up to 1 year, such customer can order till 500 quantity order to the company. Click on save. She did the question asking. Actually, customer reference is important, so we give the reference number, any reference number. Reference date also, like which date he do the contract. So like, now click on save. So this is the quantity contract. Any changes later, suppose you want to extend the validity or something. So VA42, we have option to do some changes here. And there is a display also, we have no option to display. Now, main important, we'll go to see the contract, create the order. What, just like we have seen in the order type, we have one reference is mandatory, like we create, like when you create the order, VOBA, one second. See, this order type we have, GTOR. So suppose you create the order, then no reference is mandatory. But some of the company, they have already contract signed with the customer. So when the customer raises the order, we use this order document type. And when you create the order, we must have required the contract number. So here you can see reference is mandatory for what? To quantity contract. With reference to a quantity contract. Reference is mandatory here. So what we do when you create the order, the system will ask the reference number. Okay. See, VA01 create. Sorry, we're going to create order. Here we give the GDOR order type. enter. System asking, where is your reference number, contact number. You know, here we have remember the contact number, so you can give. Otherwise, you can search by sales organization, and this is the customer reference number. Sorry, contact number. We click on copy. So all the item will be all the quantity will be copied, but not all quantity we want to order today. We all only 10 quantity, and then we can do 100 quantity we do, but not more than 100, 500. So if we go to more than 500 with one quantity extra also, system will give the message here. One second. What message giving by system? One second. I'm just telling you. Target quantity of reference 500 carton, total reference 500. Any it's exceeding the quantity. So we can create only the contract order with reference of quantity contract, and the quantity that we have in the contract, we can take the in the order page, not more than. So this is the concept. Okay. So most of the company they use this quantity contract concept. They have already some regular customer. They those customers are regularly purchasing the goods from the company. So what company decide? Okay, better we can do the delivery for the quantity for the customer on time. So that concept they use the quantity contract. Okay. So here, these are quantity contract, and one more we have scheduling agreement. Quantity contract means the quantity wise contract we do with this customer, but scheduling agreement that is for schedule for delivery. Schedule delivery scheduling. Some company they want priority for delivery. Advance date of delivery mentioned the every sales. So we do the priority for delivery. So what is scheduling agreement in SAP sales and distribution module? And scheduling agreement is an outline agreement between you and customer that is also has valid for a certain period of time, but in the scheduling agreement contains fixed delivery dates. Okay, it contains fixed delivery date, right? Suppose you do the agreement with the customer for 1 year, or every month, a certain date, you want the product will be delivered to the customer. Okay, so that means that delivery schedule will be fixed. So once scheduling agreement is due for the delivery, you can create the delivery as normal or by using a delivery list. Any when the customer has a already given this restriction key, this delivery should be on the first day of the month, last day of the month. It is predefined delivery date is mentioned. So on that day, we can do the delivery. No need to go to the sales order, then we do the delivery. No, only with agreement date we do the delivery on that day with that mention that agreement. Okay, so this is called scheduling agreement. Scheduling agreement actually basically used by company for prior for delivery, and I like fix the delivery date for customers. So if the quantity in the scheduling agreement exceed, then again the same system will give the message, warning message. Suppose we have 100 quantity, but we have more than 100 quantity taking the delivery, system will give the warning message. The scheduling agreement, we have delivery scheduling, for schedule for delivery. Like the customer want every month a certain date of delivery to be take place for delivery. So there is a difference between contract and scheduling agreement we have. In the contract where we don't have delivery directly, we can do, but in scheduling agreement, we have delivery process directly. Okay, yeah, this is the major difference. Now here we have to know the document type. Document type for scheduling agreement is, I think DS and LP both we have. Let me check. And item category LPN and schedule line also there. Contract we don't have schedule line, but in scheduling agreement we have a schedule line required. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. We have document type first. Sorry, what happened? Sure. Yeah. VOVA transaction code to check the document type for scheduling agreement. That is DS. And so DS not LP. Sorry, LP. है ना? LP stand for scheduling agreement. See, this document type has a document category also. So if you select this document LP, double click. One second. What happened? See. है ना? Document category E. E means I stand for what? Scheduling agreement. This is important. Second important is in scheduling agreement we have delivery and billing both we have. Yeah, delivery type, billing type. But contract we don't have delivery billing because that is a draft document. But this is agreement which has delivery date fixed. So this document that we use for scheduling agreement and item category for scheduling agreement. Also we have to know VOV7 transaction code to check the item category for scheduling agreement. LPN. Select the line LPN and this item category has billing relevancy because whatever the quantity we delivered, we do the billing with the customer. So billing relevance is required for scheduling agreement. Content we don't have billing relevance because we can create the order with reference of content then do the billing. But here delivery direct we do against the scheduling agreement, then we do the billing. So billing relevance based on delivery date billing we have. This is a concept, right? See. So now we'll first create the scheduling agreement with the customer. Going back to the main page and there is a main page logistics, then sales and distribution, sales, scheduling agreement, VA31 to create, VA32 for change, VA33 for display. So here we go to the VA20, 31 create. Now LPN and document type. Sales organization, GDS1, distribution channel, division, inter. This is called scheduling agreement. And we select the customer, maybe same customer with other customer also we do. And reference also required, sorry, validity also important. From which date to which date, we do the validity, right? And if we have any description, we can do. And material, like 7151 and total 100 quantity, for example. This is for scheduling agreement for 100 quantity. Okay. Now here, what important needs to be agreement? Let's go and just the detail we maintain first. What important is agreement? 75151 material with 100 quantity. Select the line item, double click and click on schedule line. Here we fix the date of delivery. Like for example, tomorrow we have uh, 25 quantity. Okay. Right. Then we can have next month, September, then October also. We fix the date of delivery. This one, this is also 25 quantity. Then October, if the quantity, then November. So just like we distribute the quantity based on date of delivery, like so total 100 quantity has fixed date of delivery, like that. 100 quantity, delivery date is fixed. And click on save. This is the order. Item category LPN here. So edit means what? Actually, net value asking the price not maintained. So we give the price is important. This material has like price is here. Okay. LP in the item category here. We have fixed date of delivery, like 25, 25, 20 in 4 different periods, different months, and click on save. So to create this agreement and the date of delivery, what we have in the agreement, the day where the customer can receive the good. So no need to create the order. Only direct we do the delivery. Go to the VL01N, and suppose I'm taking this agreement number with shipping point and delivery type LF. System will not accept. Why? Because the seventh is not accept. The delivery date. 8 will be, na, first 8 delivery date, hai na, 8 will be first. Now system will copy all the information, like how much quantity, 25 quantity on it. Picking tab, here you give the picking quantity, 25, right? Hmm. And click on post duty show. Okay, no, show location not defined. Okay, sorry. We have to maintain a show location for this also. Here, है ना, here. One second, picking tab. Store location is required. GTS1. The post good issue. The good has been issued on 25th, है ना, quantity on this day. Now go back to the again scheduling agreement, VA32. Give the agreement number, enter. Now we select the line, item line, double click, and schedule line. You can see out of 100 quantity, 25 quantity delivered to the customer. Just another quantity will be next month, will process for delivery. Right? Clear? So we can take a break for 5-10 minutes. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, we'll
So
take a
one of the
few
thing I
minutes.
have to ask that we do the rate
Yes.
contract as well. So it comes to under this only.
Which one?
रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी करते हैं हम लोग जैसे कि अगर सपोज एक ही कंपनी है उसके मल्टीपल ग्रुप से पैन इंडिया में तो वी
हाँ,
जस्ट डिसाइड वन प्राइस फॉर द प्रोडक्ट वी नेगोशिएट इट इन प्रीलिमिनरी मतलब पर प्रोडक्ट परचेज में हम लोग नेगोशिएट करते हैं एक ही प्राइस पे तो जो भी उनके
अच्छा अच्छा।
प्लान्स है ना सभी जगह पे एक साल के लिए वो प्राइस वैलिड रहेगा तो उन लोग उसको रेट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बोलते हैं।
हाँ, तो ये भी यही चीज को कर सकते हैं, इसी को कर सकते हैं। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए एक ड्राफ्ट बनता है, उसी की ड्राफ्ट के
हाँ
अकॉर्डिंगली हमने जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में प्राइस दिया, डिस्काउंट दिया, सब कुछ अलग से बनेगा। ठीक है, आपका सारा कुछ
ओके
अलग
ओके।
बनेगा। मैंने प्राइसिंग, मान लो कि प्राइसिंग तुमको अलग देना है, तो यू कैन हैव
हम्म,
एवरीथिंग डिफरेंट फॉर द कस्टमर वाइज। अभी हमने तो एक स्टैंडर्ड प्राइसिंग पर से लिया, लेकिन सपोज कहते हो कि नहीं, कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर का ये प्राइसिंग का अलग होगा, इसके अलावा इसमें डिस्काउंट हम ये देंगे, इसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा और ऐड करेंगे, तो अलग से प्राइसिंग प्रोसीजर बनेगा फॉर द कस्टमर। करेक्ट?
करेक्ट।
तो डिपेंड करता है, हाँ डिपेंड करता है कि कस्टमर को क्या क्या हम फैसिलिटी दे सकते हैं। प्राइस हम अलग दे रहे हैं, डिस्काउंट में कौन कौन सा डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अगर है तो क्वांटिटी पे डिस्काउंट भी दे रहे हैं, या अमाउंट पे डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं, उसके अलावा क्या क्या और फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं। दिस इज डिफरेंटली वी मेंटेन। हाँ, दिस इज करेक्ट। करेक्ट। या
ओके
ओके। या ठीक
ओके।
है, तो विल बैक इन 7-8 मिनट, है ना, या 10 मिनट है, विल कंटिन्यू।
ओके
ओके।
सर।
Okay, so we now continue.
Yes, sir.
Once taking any other topic we can take today. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so now I'll take this topic. Bills of material. This is called bill of material. So bills of material describe like which we have a different component make together one product. Just like we're buying the mobile with mobile, some other accessories like charger, earphone, all are included the main product, mobile. So when we do the invoice, the only invoice for the mobile, not for charger, earphone separately we do. So this is the concept. Yes, different component make together one product and pricing for the main product, not for sub-component like accessories like charger, earphone. Okay. So in that, the price of other component like a charger, earphone is included in the main product price. Just like we buying the mobile for 20,000, so that we're getting the adapter and charger with, sorry, earphone. So that doesn't mean that they are free. That these are free. No, that this price is also included in the main product price. Mobile 20,000. In that there is a charger, earphone price is included. So this concept is called bill of material, in which product we do the billing in the main product like mobile or accessories. So main product mobile we do the billing, but invoice only for mobile. Earphone charger you not mention that, okay, because that is not billing for that. So that concept of bill of material is basically used by company to make one component, come different component make together one product and billing for the main product. So here, bill of material, what important, if you want to maintain the pricing will be carried out for the main item level, like a product which uh, main item like mobile is a header item. In that we have item category ERL limited, ERL. Okay. So here the concept is bill of material to create by this transaction code CA01. But let's see uh, the setting how do we do this. First, we have to at least we require two, three products. One is main product and other one component and a sub item. Header item, header item is mobile. Price will be considered determined or considered by system and inventory and delivery process also for that. We do the price delivery invoice for the main item, means mobile. A charger earphone also with the main product we are giving to the customer. Charger, earphone, cable, there's some other. That is also sub item. For that, no pricing, no inventory, no delivery process. Okay, only mobile will be shown as a delivery. Other component will be it will be included in the sales order, but it will not process for delivery and billing. Okay, what control here we have? If a header item like mobile, we have a pricing, delivery, invoicing, everything we do in the header item like mobile. So in the header item, we maintain the item category ERLA and header item, the item category is TAQ and schedule line CP. And for sub item, just like a earphone, charger, for that item category no environment, item category TAE and schedule line C. So let's first check the item category. That is important. Header level item category TAQ and sub item category TAE. TAQ and TAE. Let's see. VOV7 transaction code. TAQ is the item category for header item. Price at header label. Select, double click. There is a billing relevance, pricing. This is for header item, just like mobile. Mobile, we have a header item, and for mobile item category TAQ, there is a billing relevance and pricing. And sub item like lower item, the item category is TAE, just like a charger earphone, है ना? The TAE. TAE don't have pricing, no billing. No pricing, no billing. Okay. This item category. And header label item category, we have for the schedule and category for header label, we go to the VOV6 transaction code. Schedule and category for header label is CP. There is a movement type 601 to good issue for delivery. And schedule and category for item label, we have CA, है ना, CE. With the CE, CE is not there, but one thing, let me check. Hmm. Yes, yes. What is it? Okay, CE not there. C instead of CT, there is CT. CT, है ना, we use CT. CT means no invoice management, not good issue. Okay, these item categories. CE and CT also, है ना. The schedule category CT actually for no invoice. And sorry, no delivery process. Moment tab is not there, nothing, we have this schedule category. CP for main item schedule category and CT for sub item schedule category. Now, how to run this process? So first we create at least three products. One is the main product, mobile. Yeah, any other, not like only for mobile. We can take the laptop also, laptop with headphone and earphone, something we giving, yeah, mobile, camera also we giving them, so like that. So here just like mobile with earphone and charger is free. So first we create the main products, mobile. I'm going to the main page, MM01, tail, tail type, CRT, basic data, sales organization 1, 2, general plant data, MRP1, MRP2, general plant data storage 2, and accounting 1. If on organization level, plant, publication, sales organization, distribution channel. So just like take an example of, Hana. For example, Samsung mobile, Samsung Smart Galaxy, for example. The main product price for this product should be considered by system. So what we do, we maintain the item category, not ERA. And now it is ERLA. ERLA stands for structure material above. This item category, ERLA. Other detail remains in, not change. No, only we change the item category here, ERLA, then enter. And here delivering plant, from which plant the product will be delivered, enter. Actually, the minimum quantity asking. Then tax classification asking by system, the we just tax. And here also, sales organization 2 tab, where also we change the item category ERLA. Item groups, ERLA. Consign group based on material type we have. So trading group, finished goods, so 03. Enter availability check 01. Transportation group, loading group, enter MRP type, planning, no planning, so planning, MRP controller, not size EX, plan delivery time, in-house production, how many days, like that. And data storage 1, storage 2, not required. Accounting 1, we have evaluation class based on price. So 7920 is evaluation class. Price, always we have standard. This is for cost price, not for selling price. Enter again and click on save. 7196 is a main header item we have created. Now go to the two more items. The same MM01. Select the industry sector and material type. Then select view. And basic data, sales organization 1, 2, general plant data, MRP 1 and MRP 2. And there is a general plant data storage 2, and accounting 1. Adapter, your charger. No? It's period. No. Second, I'm just taking the basic data one again. Okay. Now, this general plant data. Here, no need to change anything. Huh? Only norm we have. No need to change. Only for main item, we have ERMA. Mobility check, seasonal group, planning, no planning. For example, I'm doing no planning. Not required. Okay. This is the valuation class for cost price of this product, like charger price is 300. One more item we add. Earphone. Okay. We have total three products we have maintained. One is a header item and two are sub item. For header item, we have maintained the item category group ERA. For sub item, nothing changed. Nothing we do. No changes. So now we have, let's see which check in the system. MM, one second, MM60, and here GTP1. See here we have three items, na? 969798. Okay, let me just add the stock balance. Let's try here. MIGU transaction code 71196. Seven one nine seven 198. Now we have maintained all the item with quantity. And now once we have three items and we add in the bill of material, like which material is ordered by customer and price for that. Other are the accessories, component add in the order page. Right. We have total three material. What we do, we create the bill of material by this transaction to 3 0. Okay. Hmm. To maintain all these three material there. Go to the main page, and under the logistic, mm, there is a sales and distribution, then master data, products, material. Under the products, we have bills of material, and again bill of material, then material bomb. The material bomb we have CA01 to create. So here we add the main product. Which is the main product? Mobile. Which plant? The GDP one. User bill of material user for which department? Under sales, the sales and distribution. Five. It's like a five. Enter. And this is the mobile. है ना? And with this mobile, I'm adding the charger. Quantity maybe one I'm doing, है ना? So item category. This is for stock item. है ना? We have it already stock. Then we have one more 7198. So like when customer order this mobile, the system will take this accessories in the order page, like component, like adapter and chargers. है ना? This is the arrangement of bill of material. कि when customer want to billing for the item, so only the header item will be billing. For sub item as a component will not we do the billing. Okay. So now we have added. Uh, any changes later we want to do, so we have already transaction code. And if you remember in the sales document header label, we have this option. See, है ना? Item number increment and sub item increment. Item increment means main item. Sub item means lower item. Just like if when customer order the mobile, it will become under 10 step, but lower item will be 11, 12, 13 step. This was sub item component increment. So now I'm going to, and one more important key, we have to maintain the price condition record for main item, because without pricing condition record, system will not take the pricing. So here I'm selecting the condition record and 7196, and this is the product. Price is 13,000, for example, this customer shop. Only for main product, we maintain a condition record. Then click on save. The pricing condition record only we maintain for the main product. Now we create an order. Create an order for bill of material. BA01, enter. Order type GTOR. Customer. Okay. When you calling here, one second. When you calling the main product, which one? 7196 with quantity 1 low E1. Enter. Enter again. The system will copy all two more item also as a sub item. 10 step is a main item. 11, 12 is a sub item. Okay. What difference with that? 10 step main item category TAQ, or for lower item 7197, 7198, item category TAE. Okay. Now I'm selecting the main line item. 7196, double click. Billing, we have, sorry, condition, we have price. And for lower item, no pricing, nothing, not required. Okay. No, and main item category group is, sorry, item category TAQ, sub item category TAE. Now before going we, to create orders, we click on edit and click on new incompletion law, store location, customer pricing group missing. Customer pricing group also required. Entry. No, now you can see, we when call the main item 7196, system will take the lower item also because of we have maintained the bill of material. So we create order for this. It has been created. Now we do the delivery process. One second. And we go to the delivery for the sales order. Uh, one second. VL01N. order number, shipping point, delivery time. Enter. So we have 3 line items, but only picking quantity for main item. Okay. Picking quantity for only main item. Lower item not require the picking process. The main item we have maintained the picking quantity. The lower item like component we don't have required the picking option. It is display mode. है ना? So now we do the post good issue. Good has been issued to the customer. We want to verify that good has been issued, so we can go to the MMB transaction code, 7196 material number and plant and store location giving here. Execute out of 1,000, one quantity issued, 999 is remaining. Yeah. And further also we can see this out of 100, only 99 quantity. Actually, it's not showing issue. Okay, sorry. It shows the issue, but it take time. So now here, once complete the order and delivery, we have done the delivery for all 3 items. But the time of billing, invoice, we only billing for which item? Main item. Third item. Not for sub item. Not for sub item. Okay, so let's see. Order we have done for all 3 items. Billing and delivery also we have done for 3 items. But when we come to the billing, we have 01. We have 01 here. Enter. Bill, order delivery document number, billing type F2. Now here, enter. Only billing with main item. Okay, lower item we don't mention the invoice. So this is the concept like when customer order the main product, so I think this bill of material tech concept, accessories will be added in the order. Even delivery also we do for that. But picking is not required because we not issue physically that goods. But at the time of the billing process, we only billing for the main item. Just like mobile, only we do the billing. Adapter charger, we don't do the billing for that. So this is the concept used by a company for some kind of this product. Okay. Now we have completed and click on save. Okay. Clear now?